Welcome to Pardon the Integration, building predictable, profitable, and pioneering partnerships with Hitachi Vantara, a podcast where we tackle three top trends in the channel today. I'm your host, Ed Hannon, and I'm joined today by my guest, Kimberly King, Vice President, Global Strategic Partners and Alliances with Hitachi Vantara. Kimberly has 20 plus years of sales and channel experience working with large and small organizations to build innovative programs focused on partner growth. Passionate about successful partnerships, Kimberly is focused on helping Hitachi Vantara establish and grow strategic partnerships that create a competitive advantage for the organization in the marketplace. Thanks so much, Kimberly, for being here. And let's get started by going right to the first segment here. We'll be talking about three topics during the program and 3 minutes to talk about each. Our first topic is fast track to opportunity with Hitachi Vantara. Our second topic is building predictable, profitable, and pioneering partnerships. And our third topic is Hitachi Vantara inspires what's next. And as you watch today's program, you'll see a countdown clock on the bottom of your screen. But Kimberly, I want to start with my first question here in the first segment, fast track to opportunity with Hitachi Vantara. What's the Hitachi advantage?
Well, I think there's a few key things to Hitachi, but the main, I would say, is the fact that we're not an oversubscribed partner community, and that, we've really created this opportunity that allows partners to really find profitability in everything that they do with us. And we've launched some really amazing products this year that we're seeing partners really embrace and their customers embrace at the right time.
And to that point, how can partners maximize their opportunities with Hitachi Vantara?
So I think there's a couple of different ways. We have some amazing both front end and back end rebates for partners today. But I think really when you look at it, understanding how they embrace our entire portfolio and leverage that portfolio for their maximum profitability.
And my next question, and the last one in the segment, is how is Hitachi Vantara's VSP representative of your world-class solutions?
So our new VSP solution, the E590 and 790, are amazing mid-range product solutions that really are just perfectly met for the channel. They're sort of that perfect meet in the channel opportunity and solution that allows our partners to come to market with the best price and the best solution possible for their end users.
Excellent. Now let's move to our next segment, build predictable, profitable, and pioneering partnerships. And my first question would be, why are Hitachi all-flash and hybrid flash storage solutions right for any need?
Well, I think the main reason is that when you're looking at the target market that we're going after, really that mid-market, mid-range, or even an expansive part of a large enterprise, you want to have that NVMe all-flash solution that allows it to be the right solution for those types of partners and end users, because it's, like I said earlier, the right price and the right solution technically for those customers.
And my next question would be, how does Hitachi Vantara ensure its solutions are both powerful and predictable?
Yeah, that's one of the things that I think is pretty amazing. So I would say, Hitachi is known for its enterprise class solutions, but the fact that they can take those enterprise class solutions and scale them for any size customer is really what it takes into that consideration, that pioneering spirit, and then makes it predictable for those end users. And then when we look at it, that really the guaranteed uptime for our customers and our partners, it goes across all of our portfolio.
Excellent. And the final question for this section would be, how do partners enjoy ease of doing business with Hitachi Vantara?
So this is one of the things I've been working on for the last 3 years. We're really excited about it. Not only do we have the digital selling platform for our partner community that has our partner velocity pricing, but has a ton of automation everywhere from training, enablement, leveraging any resources they want. They just use our digital sales platform, and it's much easier to engage with us than it was 3 years ago.
Fantastic. Now let's move to our third segment, Hitachi Vantara inspires what's next. First question. Why should partners work with Hitachi Vantara?
So I think a couple different things. I think when we talk about predictable, profitable, and pioneering, we really are embracing the channel more so than we ever have in the past. And I think partners that embrace and lean into engaging with us will find that we're a much different Hitachi Vantara than we were 3 or 4 years ago. And giving them the capability and the solutions, like we said, the digital selling platform, the right tools, and a really profitable engagement makes it work for all of our partner community.
And not only how has Hitachi Vantara made it easier to do business with partners, but how will that continue to be the case going forward?
So every day we look at how do we engage with partners, and we're constantly getting feedback from them on how we can work better. I think one of the key items that we're really leveraging for this year is our distribution partners. So our distributors are helping to extend into that long tail of partners to make sure that they get that same level of engagement and support as our top tier partners, and that they feel included in the overall process. So we're continuing to take feedback from both the long tail partners as well as our top tier and our distributors to constantly make it better to work and easier to work with us.
And the last question for today's program is, what's next for Hitachi Vantara's partner program?
So we have amazing things coming out in the new year. So starting April 1, we will be launching our full-blown new partner portal, which has, as I said, amazing new solutions. And we're completely revamping our back-end rebates and our incentives to our partner community. And we're planning to really expand our partners all around the world to make sure that we're driving that engagement across the community. So we're seeing some really innovative activities, as well as we'll be moving more aggressively to as a service solutions for our partners. So we hope that they'll continue to embrace all of the innovation that we have, not only in our program, but in our products.
That's all the time we have for today. I'd like to thank you, Kimberly, for being here. And before we go, just share some quick takeaways from today's program. First one, Hitachi Vantara's VSP truly is a representation of its world-class solutions. Hitachi all-flash and hybrid solutions are right for any need. And finally, Hitachi Vantara has great things planned for its partner program. Stay tuned to inspire what's next. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, I'm Ed Hannon, and you've been watching Pardon the Integration, Building Predictable, Profitable, and Pioneering Partnerships with Hitachi Vantara. Have a great day.